Welcome back to the premier edition of Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday. And we've been talking about what the Browns need to do, and right now it is time for, as I call my picks of the week. Well, as you know, I picked Philadelphia to beat Atlanta Thursday night, and they just did that, so I've already won that one. I'm going with the Browns to beat the Steelers today, and I'm going with them 24-21. Excuse me. I am going Minnesota and San Francisco. I am going with Minnesota to beat the 49ers, and I'm going to say that's going to be a low one. I'm going to say 19-14 on that one. The Indianapolis and Cincinnati. I'm going with the Colts on that one only because it's in Indianapolis, and I'm going to say that's going to be 27-21. I'm going to say for that one. Baltimore and the Buffalo. And I'm going with the Baltimore Ravens on this one only because it's in Baltimore, and I really think Baltimore is going to take it. So I'm going with Baltimore, and I'm going to say that's going to be a 21-14 one, Baltimore win. Jacksonville and the Giants. Now, I really think this is going to be probably, I'm going to go right up the middle on it. I'm going with Jacksonville, and I'm going to say 24-17 on this one. New England and Houston, I'm going New England by far because they are 9-point favorites in this one. And I think this one's going to be a blowout, and I'm going to say 38-7 on this one, 38-10, because I don't think Houston's going to beat New England by far. Miami and Tennessee, I'm going with Miami, and I'm going to say that, and I'm going with Miami because they're tough at home, and I'm going to say 26-16 on that one. Denver and Seattle. This is going to be a hard-fought one, but I'm going with Denver because they're tough in the Mile High City. And I'm going with Denver. And it's going to be a close one. I'm going to say 29-20 by a field goal, 29-26. Carolina and Dallas. I'm going with Carolina on that one, and I'm going to say Carolina by far on that one. I'm going to say 28-21 on that one. Arizona and Washington, I'm going with Arizona because it's in Arizona. And I'm going to say 20 Arizona. I'm going to say this is going to be a low-scoring one, I think, for them. And I don't know why. Don't ask me why I think that, but I do. 13-10 on that one. Now, Green Bay and Chicago, that's always been an arch rival. And I'm going to say, I'm going with Green Bay, but I'm going to say 35-28 by a touchdown. It's going to be close, I think. The Monday night games, the Monday night ones, Detroit and the Jets. I'm going with Detroit because it's a Monday night game and I can't go against Detroit. You got to go with the home team, and I'm going to say Detroit wins this one 26-17, I'm going to say for that one. Oakland and the Rams, and I got to go with Oakland. You can't go against Oakland on a Monday night. So I'm going to say Oakland's going to win this one, and I'm going to say 23-17. And that is this week's picks of the week. And we will see how I turn out for next week. Now, getting back to the Browns and today's Steelers game, the Steelers are now up 7-0 in the second quarter. They scored on a play by, I think, that Antonio Brown made or something like that. I can't remember. But hopefully, I'm hoping the Browns are going to take today's game. So we're going to see what happens. And the Browns need to dominate. They've got to make plays. They've got to not give the Steelers room to run if they want to win this game. And I think I really think that they are going to win today's game. So I really feel by far that the Browns are going to win this game today. But we shall see. Anything can happen on any given Sunday. Keep that in mind. So I really feel that Browns are going to win today's game. We're almost out of time, and I want to and I just want to say that I really feel this season, this game today between the Browns and the Steelers is going to set the tone for how the Browns season is going to go and how it's going to unfold. And I really feel if we can win today's game, I think we're going to win a lot more games. But we're going to have to see what happens. A lot of people are going to say that the Browns, that a win is not coming for the Browns today, but they are up and coming, and I feel that they are. So we're really going to have to wait and see what happens with today's Browns game. So keep that in mind. But I feel the Browns need to really dominate this game. And Josh Gordon will not be playing in today's game, but I think he will be playing in a few weeks. Now, we have to focus on the regular season and put the preseason behind us. So, but I really feel that the Browns really need to win this game today. So, I know it's not a must-win, but I feel we need to end our skid of opening day losses. So we really need to win this game today. So let's really see what the Browns can do, and hopefully I really feel that they are going to win today's game. Now, and my final thoughts are Tyrod Taylor really needs to run the pocket, and let's go. I really feel that the Browns are going to win today's game, as I've said before. And I really feel that, I got to tell you, if Seattle wants to win, they've got to come out and they're going to dominate early if they want to win. I think they are. But I think Denver is going to prevail in this one. So I really feel that that they are going to prevail in this game by far. So I apologize for my allergies. And I really do feel that I feel New England's going to blow out Houston by far, but Houston's got to jump on New England early if they want to win. If they want to really win this game. And I really feel that New Orleans, they're going to be all over Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay is going to have their hands full with New Orleans today, and New Orleans takes that one by far. Those are my final thoughts, and that's going to wrap it up for the premier edition of Scott Sports 101 NFL, Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday pregame show. I will have an NFL, Scott Sports 101 NFL postgame show immediately after the Browns games and all of the early games while the late games are going on, and I will keep you posted on them as I run down the early games. So until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. Enjoy today's game, everybody. So long, everybody. Go Browns! 3, 2, 1. I'm done.